Vande Mataram. So children, today I am going to talk about importance of reading. A reader lives 1,000 lives before he dies. The man who never reads lives only one. So the habit of reading is one of the best qualities that a person can possess. Reading a good book takes you in a new world and helps relieve your day-to-day stress. It has several positive effects on your mind, body, and soul. It stimulates your brain muscles and keeps your brain healthy and strong. So, reading is one of the most important and beneficial activities. It improves vocabulary, comprehension, and critical thinking. So, our grade 5 students have been asked to do a book review of the famous book by Philip Pullman, A Firework Maker's Daughter, which they have read through the year. So, I would like to invite Avnil Pandey of class 5D to please come on the stage and present his book review before you. I'm sure you will enjoy it.
Do you know what I'm going to tell you today? I'm going to share you a book review of the book written by Philip Pullman, The Firework Maker's Daughter. So let's start. Are you ready to embark on this journey with me? Here's a summary before you. Leela wants to be a firework maker, not a firework maker's daughter. But her father doesn't want her to become a firework maker and wants that she lives a settled life by marrying a boy and go to her sister. But Leela was ambitious to become a firework maker. So, with the help of her two best friends, Chulak and the king's elephant Hamlet, she embarked on a journey to Mount Merapi to get the royal sulphur. But she knew the half secret, and so she was unsafe without the flask of water from the goddess Emilad's lake. So, when Lalchan got to know that what is happening here, he asked Chulak and said, "Please help my daughter. She's unsafe without a flask of water." So, as a good friend, as a best friend, Chulak and Hamlet went to take goddess Emilad's lake water. And as they succeeded, whereas in Leela in Mount Merapi meet Rasvani. Rasvani, the king of Mount Merapi, asked Leela for the 3 gifts. Leela was surprised. She didn't know what were the 3 gifts. So, Rasvani asked Leela to walk on the burning coal. Leela, without any hesitation, she walked on the burning coal. But in between, Chulak and Hamlet came and gave her the flask of water. She drank it up, and then in a minute, she crossed the whole path full of burning coal. After they got the royal sulphur, they went back to their town, where they were surprised to see that Lalchan was imprisoned by the king. The king said that without the permission of the king, Chulak took Hamlet, and so as a punishment, the king imprisoned Lalchan. Leela asked that what can she do to free Lalchan? So the king replied and said, "You have to win the firework festival." And so did Leela. From all over the world came many people with their awesome fireworks. But Leela was the best, and the king had to make her the winner. At last, Leela freed her father, and Lalchan told Leela that the 3 gifts were courage, talent, and friendship, which she already had. So, let me tell you the characters of the story. The character was the Leela, the main character, Lalchan, the father of Leela, Chulak, Leela's best friend, Rambhashi, the pirate and Chulak's uncle, and Hamlet, Leela's friend and the king's elephant. My favorite character of the book is Leela, as she was very brave, strong, that even strong winds cannot blow up her dreams. The 3 main obstacles of Leela were: she was unable to know the secret of firework making. My suggestions: if they would remove the pirate scene from this book, it would be a better book, because I thought that it was an adventurous book. A bit humor is not matching with it. I am giving it a 4-star rating. Would I recommend this book? Of course, I will recommend this book. It was a complete package of emotions, drama, adventure. Every time there was a suspense, so I was thinking what will happen next. So my imagination was also creating. This gave the description of the firework she made, and I can imagine that yes, the firework would look like this. Because Philip Pullman books have always inspired me. Like his book, The Scarecrow and His Servant, is also a very good book. So this is all what I have made a book review. Hope you liked it. Thank you.